Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to send self destructing messages on Telegram and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. Start by opening up the Telegram application for that. And once you open up the Telegram application, you may just head over and go over to the specific chat that you would like to have the self destructing messages for. So let's say this is the chat I would like to have. Once you reach over to their chat, you can look out for their profile in the top left corner and go ahead and tap on it. Look out for the contact name and tap on it. Now, once you go ahead and tap on it, you may basically look out for the three dot in the top right corner and go ahead and tap on it once again. And then once you do so, you will be given a menu option appearing on your screen. You can select the option for auto delete, the very first option, and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you can select the option for automatically deleting the new messages sent in the chat after a certain period of time. So you can select 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or even custom. You can select any of the option that is available. And once you do so, you will be finding the auto delete in your screen right here. So you can select your profile once again here. And once you do so, here it will give you option to set it up after auto delete. You can even set up a default for that. For example, this is the chat. I would like to do so and look out for this timer option and tap on it. After that, you can select the option for self-destruct timer, 5 seconds or something like that. And once you've signed up a message, after 5 seconds, the message will be automatically deleted from your Telegram application chat. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to go ahead and set up self-destructing messages on Telegram, it is pretty easy. You may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.